filming video number 2. Check me out, bitch. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm filming my filming setup for you guys. I get a lot of compliments on my lighting and just like the overall quality of my video for it to be filmed on my videos. I can't talk right now. For them to be filmed on an iPhone. So I'm just going to show you guys my setup really quickly. I'm super lucky because I have this huge window in front of me and it gives me a lot of natural light to work with. So let's just go ahead and jump right into the video. So this is where I film. This is the desk that I use, and I have a whole video on like my makeup collection and how I have everything organized. So if you want to see that, I'll link it down below. I just get a chair from our kitchen table and I just sit here with my mirror, which is super dirty. I got eyelash glue on it when I was filming just a minute ago. And this is the tripod I use. So this is the brand, it's like Kaizen. And I like it because it's expandable and it's like actually a selfie stick, so you can like close the legs, and it has like a little button thing right there that's Bluetooth that you can use if you want to like take pictures and things. But I just pretty much use it to film. The only thing I don't like about it is that these little gummy, like I don't know, whatever these things are called, they keep trying to like come up, so I have to like glue them down, and I already lost one up there. But other than that, I actually really do like it. And this thing you can turn depending on how you want to hold your phone. So, I mean, it was cheap and it's holding up just fine for the most part. So, I like using that. Uh-oh. And then, like I was telling you guys about earlier, I have these huge windows that I film in front of. So, I get really good natural light. I always have this blanket by me because I like to throw it over my lap, especially like when I'm cold or I'm just wearing like a crop top or something and I'm filming. So yeah, this is pretty much my setup. I will link down that tripod slash selfie stick thing down below for you guys in case y'all are interested. This desk is from IKEA. I forget the name of it, but I'm pretty sure you can find it on IKEA. It's literally just a desk and it has like these 2 drawers and then like this cabinet thing with like shelves in it. So yeah, this is pretty much it. Pretty soon I will have a backdrop. I'm working on that now. But I hope that you guys enjoyed this video or found it helpful, and I will catch you guys in my next one. Bye.